Hi, I'm Lindsay from Speechy Things, and today I'm going to help you rock the R using a lollipop. Whenever we say the R sound, the sides of our tongue have to go up and touch either the top molars or just inside our molars at our gums. I'm about to get really close to the camera, I'm sorry. Can you see that? I know sometimes it can be difficult to feel what your tongue is doing in your mouth, so you can do a couple things. You can get a mirror and a flashlight and try to look really close like I just showed you, or you can grab a lollipop. Now I want your speech therapist to help you with this so that they can be sure they're touching the right parts of your mouth. What we're gonna do is pretend like there is some magic glue on this lollipop. They're gonna touch this back sides of your tongue, and we're gonna glue those spots of our tongue up just inside our top molars. See if you can make those 4 spots touch. So your tongue is gonna have to lift up, and the sides especially are gonna go up. Getting that side elevation or sides raised can be one of the hardest things to do with your tongue when you're saying the R sound. It's okay if it takes some time to practice. Grab a mirror, grab a flashlight. You can use something else with flavor other than a lollipop. Whatever's gonna work for you, whatever you have around, good luck with it. Thanks for watching. Again, I'm Lindsay from Speechy Things. If you like this video, please be sure to like and subscribe. You can find me at speechythings.com or Speechy Things on Instagram for more R tips. Thank you for letting me help you rock the R.